So today we will do about derivative in the definition. In this the question like this, they will ask about this one. So we will have the formula like this. So we will input the formula from the function, and we can answer the question very easy. So in here we have function equal to 14, and we just put 14 in here, and we got about still the 14 because we don't have the variable. We have the minus f is about 14, so that's about 14. Then we divide by 0. Later that we have lim, and we have 14 minus 14 is about 0. Oh, sorry, this is about h not 0. Then divide by h, so we have lim is about 0. The next one, we have the variable in here, so we use about this formula. So we have the formula inside, and we have 2 minus 27 multiplied with s in here is minus 27 with s, and we have h in here, that's about minus 27h. We have the minus the function, that's about minus 2 plus 27s. We divide by h, we have lim in here. So we have the minus 27s, but we have the positive 27s in here, so they will eliminate together. We have number 2 and we have minus 2 in here, we eliminate together, so that we have only 27 h divided by h equal to minus 27. So that we had as this is the minus 27. The next one, we have the s power 3. We just apply the formula. We have lim again. With this function, we put s plus h inside the s power 3. So we have 5s plus h power 3 minus 1. We have the function in here, that's about minus 5s power 3 plus 1. We have lim again. In here, we just expand this one, and we got about 5s power 3 plus 15 s power 2 h 15 s multiply s power 2 plus 5 h power 3. We have the minus 5s power 3. We see that we have minus 1 and 1, we eliminate together, so we just put here. So right now we just simplify all of them. We have the 5s power 3 and the minus 5s power 3, so we eliminate. So in here we have h in here, so we have h in here, so we have 15s power 2. We have h power 2. We have 15s. With h, we have 5h power 3. We have plus 5h power 2. But we still have the limb in here because h near to the 0. So we have 15s power 2. This one we have the 0, so we eliminate. This one we have the 0 in here, we have eliminate too. So the answer for the question is about 15s power 2. The next one. We just apply the formula like this. We have limb next to the 0. And we have the function in here. We just apply in the function. So we have two fractions in here. 2 minus together. We do about common denominator. We have 4s, we have minus 4s, minus 4h. In here we have 2 plus h multiplied with s, so we have here. On the numerator, we have 4s minus 4s, so we eliminate together. We have minus 4h divided with h in here. So we simplify and we kinda have the result in here. Let's see about minus 4 in here. S plus h s in here. But we have the h go to the 0, so that we have h become the 0, and we got about the minus 4s power 2. So that's the answer in here. The next one, similar like this, so we just apply the formula. In here, we just put the s plus h in the s power 3, s power 2, and s. And the minus is about minus s power 3, positive s power 2, minus 2s plus 6. We have a limb in here. So we have s plus h power 3 is about s power 3 plus 3s power 2h plus 3s multiply h power 2 plus h power 3. We have the minus in here. This is about minus s power 2 minus sh minus h power 2 plus 2s 2h minus 6. And we have the similar in here. Divided by h in here. So let's simplify the long fraction in here. So we know that we have s power 3 minus s power 3, so we eliminate. We have minus s power 2, we have positive s power 2, eliminate. We have 2s in here, and we have minus 2s in here, so we eliminate. So we have 3s power 2h plus 3s multiply h power 2 plus h power 3 minus about 2sh minus h power 2 plus 2h, and we have minus 6 and we have positive 6, we eliminate. So we have the simplify of the fraction. In here we use h in the denominator, we simplify on the numerator. So we have 3s power 2 3s h plus h power 2 minus 2s, and we have 2 minus h plus 2. So we have h go to the 0, we don't have h, that's still 3s power 2. We have h, so that is 0, h 0, no h, minus 2s, h that's 0 plus 2. So the answer is about 3s power 2 minus 2s plus 2. So that's how we do about the derivative in the definition. Thank you for watching.